Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fine. So now I am to discuss the remaining problem of the factorization. Okay, so you should get ready everyone. We will discuss that question number 15 onwards. Okay, so already 14 we have discussed. So the remaining problems we will discuss now. So that's why you should get ready with your copies and you should try at first because PGG problems are there and your concept should be clear also. Okay, otherwise you cannot solve it. Clear? Okay, so now let's start everyone. See the question number 15. Question number 15 is telling 36 a minus b whole square minus 25 a plus b whole square. See the question at first everyone. What is the question? Just a minute. The question is telling here 36 a minus b whole square minus 25 a plus b whole square. Okay, so I am writing the question 15. 36 a minus b whole square minus 25 a plus b whole square. This is the question. So now what to do? See 36 full square 6 square, no? So that means we can write what? 6 into a minus b whole bracket square. We can write or not, sir? We can write it. Okay, next minus 25 means what? 5 square. So that's why we will write 5 into a plus b whole square. Up to this one clear? Okay, 36 into a minus b whole square means we can write 6 into a minus b whole square. Okay, minus 25 into a plus b whole square means that one. 25 means 5 square, so that's why you will write what? 5 into a plus b whole square. Up to this one clear? Okay, now see this one total in whole second bracket, no? In second bracket this portion a and here this portion b. Okay, and middle minus sign is here, so that's why a square minus b square formula. Clear or not? Clear? A square minus b square formula. So a square minus b square formula, you know that a plus b into a minus b. So a means here 6 into a minus b. Sorry, this one minus 6 into a minus b plus this is a, okay, plus 5 into a plus b. This is b. Opposition clear or not? To give the second bracket. Okay, so this is a plus b into a minus b. Similarly 6 into a minus b there minus 5 into a plus b. Up to this one clear, sir? I have understood, because a square minus b square formula we know that. What is the formula? A plus b into a minus b. Clear? So here a means 6 into a minus b and b means 5 into a plus b. Okay, now we will do what calculation? See, so 6 into a minus b means what? 6 into a minus b means 6a minus 6b, 6a minus 6b. Next plus 5a plus 5b. 5a plus 5b will come or not? Will come. Clear? Understood? Means only we are removing the first bracket, and if we remove the first bracket, inside and outside of the first bracket will be multiplied. That is the thing. Okay, next portion also, this one also will get what? 6a minus 6b. Okay, there 6a minus 6b minus see here 5 is there outside and bracket a plus b. So if we remove the first bracket, that 5 minus 5 will be multiplied with a plus b. So that's why you will get what? 5a minus 5a, because minus 5 into a minus 5a. Okay, and then minus 5 into b minus 5 into b minus 5b. Clear or not? Because plus sign is there, no, inside. So plus and minus minus. Okay, inside all signs are positive, so that's why we are multiplying what? After multiplying we are getting negative sign because plus minus minus. Understood? Okay. After the little calculation, do it here. Here 6a and here 5a. 6a plus 5a 11a. Okay. Next here minus 6b plus 5b. Negative sign is greater, so that's why minus b will come. That's why minus b will come. Understood? So that's why we are getting here 11a minus b. Clear? So 6a plus 5a 11a minus 6b plus 5b. Then what? Minus b. Okay. Next what? Next 6a minus 5a. 6a minus 5a only a. 6a minus 5a only a. Okay. And minus 6b minus 6b minus 5b. What? Minus 11b. Clear or not? Minus 6b minus 5b minus 11b. Clear? So this is the answer. This is the answer. Clear? Clear or not? Understood? Okay. So I hope you understood and you should practice it. Okay. Otherwise that easy problems, but your concept should be clear. Only we are using here escape and escape formula, so that's why you should use it properly. And only data are different data are there. Okay. Instead of a, different data are there. Okay. You should use it properly. Clear? Okay. Next question what? Question number 16. Question number 16 is telling. Question number 16 is telling. Read the question at first, everyone. 9 into 3x plus 1 whole square minus 4 into x minus 1 whole square. Okay. Question clear? 9 into 3x plus 1 whole square minus 4 into x minus 1 whole square. This is the question. Okay. Okay. So I am writing the question at first. 9 into 3x plus 1 whole square minus 4 into x minus 1 whole square. Question clear, everyone? Okay. So what to do here? Same process like 15. We'll do it like 15. So at first we'll write what? 9 means 3 square. So that's why we'll write 3 into 3x plus 1 whole square. 3 into 3x plus 1 whole square minus 4 means 2 square. So 2 into x minus 1 whole square. Clear or not? Clear? After that, see. After that, we are getting what? C in bracket 3 into 3x plus 1. And here 2 into x minus 1. This is b and this is a. Okay? A square minus b square formula we are getting here. Okay? Clear or not? Clear? Okay. Next what? Next a square minus b square formula we are getting. So a square minus b square formula what? A plus b into a minus b. Okay? So a means here 3 into 3x plus 1. A plus b. B means 2 into x minus 1. Okay? 3 into 3x plus 1 plus 2 into x minus 1. Okay? Second bracket in, second bracket will write. Okay? Okay. Next what? 3 into 3x plus 1 minus 2 into x minus 1. We can write or not? A plus b into a minus b. Here a plus b. Here first we are writing here a plus b now. A plus b and here a minus b. Clear, everyone? Clear? Okay. Just little calculation do now. Remove the first bracket from the second bracket. Okay. Okay. See. So if we remove the first bracket, we will get what? 3 into 3x means 9x. 9x plus 3. Okay. This one here we can put that a also. First bracket also we can put it, no problem, that one. Plus 2 into x, 2x minus 2 into 1, 2. Clear? Okay. So this one we are getting. Here give the first bracket. Okay. That is better. And the second part we are getting here. Same thing will come. Only sign will be changed. So 9x. Okay. 9x plus 3. Next minus 2x and minus minus plus 2. Why minus 2x and plus 2? This one clear? Because outside minus 2 is there, outside here minus 2 and inside x minus 1. So if we remove the bracket, so we will get what? Minus 2x and minus minus plus 2. Okay. Okay. Next what? Next what we are getting? Next 9x plus 2x. 9x plus 2x means what? 11x. 11x. Okay. And 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 1. Clear? Clear or not? Next here 9x minus 2x 7x. Okay. And 3 plus 2 5. Okay. Clear? So we are getting what? 11x minus 1. Here minus 1 or plus 1? Here one mistake is there. See here plus 3 minus 2. Plus 3 minus 2 means what? Plus 1 will come. Clear or not? 9x plus 2x, 9x plus 2x 11x, and plus 3 minus 2 plus 1 will come, not minus 1. Okay. And here 9x minus 2x 7x, and plus 3 plus 2 plus 5. Okay. So this one clear or not? Clear? Clear? So 11x plus 1 into 7x plus 5, this is the answer. Okay. 16 clear? 56 I hope clear. Okay. Next 17. Next 17. 17 is telling a square minus 2ab plus b square. Question number 17 see a square minus 2ab plus b square minus c square. Okay. A square minus 2ab plus b square minus c square. This is the question. Okay. So how to do this one? How to do? Just see. Okay, I'm writing here the question 17. Question number 17. A square minus, just a minute. What is the question, sir? Question is telling, just a minute. What is the question? Question is telling a square minus 2ab plus b square minus c square. Okay. Clear? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Otherwise I am doing down. Okay, that is better. See number 17. A square minus 2ab plus b square minus c square. This is the question. A square minus 2ab plus b square minus c square. A square minus 2ab plus b square minus. This is the question. So what to do, sir? Here at first, see, actually one important formula is there here inside in the question, given question. This a square minus 2ab plus b square, this one our formula. What formula, sir? This is a minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square formula. Okay. So a minus b whole square formula ki what, sir? A minus b whole square formula is square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Here in the question given a square minus 2ab plus b square given. That means what? That means what? A minus b whole square. Okay. After that, and next c square. This portion only c square. Clear or not? Clear? Understood? Understood? Just a minute. Okay. See. So now see this one in bracket, this portion a, and here this portion b. Okay. Clear? Okay. So what to do here? See, this formula is coming now. Here a means a minus b, and b means here c. Okay, b means c. So that's why we will do what? We will use the formula a minus b square formula. So at first a plus b, a plus b, a means what? A minus b. Okay, plus c, and after that what? After that a minus b, a means what? A minus b, a means a minus b minus c, minus c. This is the question. Okay, so a means here a minus b. Okay, according to our formula what? A square minus b square means what? A plus b into a minus b. Understood? So here a means what? A means a minus b. So that's why we are writing here instead of a, we are writing here a minus b. Here and here. both space, okay, a minus b, that is what, that is a, and b means here b representing c only, so that's why we are writing here a plus b into a minus b, that means a minus b plus c into a minus b minus c, that is the answer. Clear or not? Easy. Only concept should be clear, and formula, various type of formula we will use, means basically 2-3 formulas are there, so that one we will use it. Clear? Okay, so you should remember the formula also, you should practice it, and if you practice more, no, then your all the things should be, your concept should be clear, that is the main thing. Clear? Okay, next what, I hope clear this one. Okay, next question, what, next question number 18. Question number 18c, 18 is telling x square minus a square minus 2a minus 1. This is the question, x square minus a square minus 2a minus 1. Very very important question. What to do, sir? This one try it. Okay, try it, this one, try it. That time I'm just little bit erasing. Okay, try it. What to do at first? At first write the question, and little formula is there inside in the question, just try it. What is the given formula, you find out at first. Okay, you just find out, you will get one formula, important formula is there inside. Okay, like question number 17, you will get it. Okay, so you will try, otherwise I will help you. Okay, okay, see, 18, no, 18 is telling, 18 is telling x square minus a square minus 2a minus 1. Okay, x square minus a square minus 2a minus 1, this is the question. Okay, so now what to do, sir? Now what to do? See, one important formula is there inside. At first we will write x square. Okay, after that, the second part, no, that one second term and other terms whatever is there, that one will take common. What will be the common, sir? Minus sign will be the common. Minus sign will be the common. Okay, so if we take minus sign common, so will come what? For bracket a square plus 2a plus 1. Okay, clear? Okay, so after that what? After that what? X square, and this portion, no, in this bracket portion, that one what? That one formula. What is the formula, sir? A plus b formula, a plus b whole square formula. Here b means what? Here b means 1. Actually see, our one formula is there, I told you, a plus b whole square means what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so here b means, if we put here b1, so what will come? Just instead of b, just put 1. So we'll get what? A square plus 2a into 1 plus 1. Clear or not? So that's why we are getting what? A square plus 2a plus 1. This is the formula. Okay, so only here also given this one, see, the same thing is coming. So that's why this portion is a plus 1 whole square. Okay, after that what, sir? After that we are getting what? X square minus b square formula, means x minus a square minus b square formula we are getting, a square minus b square formula. So a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b, b means here a plus 1, okay, into a minus b. Minus b means, see here b means a plus 1, no, a plus 1, so inside plus means all signs should be minus, so minus a minus 1 will come. Clear? This is the answer. Clear or not? Understood? Clear? Okay, very very important. If you any doubt, you should inform me, I will help you again. Okay, but you should try it and you should practice it. Clear? Okay, next question, question number 19, right? Question number 19, right? At first write the question. Okay, just I'm coming within 2 minutes. Okay, you try it at first. Hello. So sorry for late, students. Actually, little problem that little work was there, so that's why I went. Okay. Okay. So next question for sir. Next question, question number 19. Okay. Next question, question number 19. 19 is telling, see, x square minus m square plus 6mn minus 9n square. This is the question. What is the question, sir? X square minus m square, x square minus m square plus 6mn minus 9n square. This is the question. So what to do, sir? See, any relation is there or not? Try to find out. Yes, one relation is there. See, this x square, no, this x square, keep it like that. X square, keep it like that. After that, this portion just take common, minus common, take it. Okay, minus common take. If we take minus common, so in bracket what will come, sir? M square plus n was there. This one will be what? Minus 6mn. Okay, and this sign will be also changed, 9n square. Clear? Clear or not? Understood? Okay. So now we are getting what? Now we are getting x square minus this portion, what, sir? This portion formula is there. What formula, sir? See, m minus, why minus? Because inside minus, so minus, and 9n square means what, sir? 3n whole square, no? 3n whole square, so that's why 3n whole square. So that means this whole portion is what? This whole portion is m minus 3n whole square. Okay, m minus 3n whole square. Clear? Clear or not? Okay, same process, all process are here, means basically 17, 18, 19, whatever is there, same process, we are following that same process. Okay, formula is there, just mean expanded form is the formula is there, expanded formula. Okay, but we should write in what? Compact form. Okay, short form. So that's one we are writing here. Okay, now what? Now we are getting a square minus b square formula. So this one a and this one b. Okay, this one a and this one b. Understood? Okay, next what, sir? Next a square minus b square formula. So a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b. So here a means x plus b means a minus 3n. Okay, b means a minus 3n. Okay, next a minus b, a means x minus, b means what? b means a minus 3n. So here inside minus sign, so that sign will be plus. Why plus? Because outside minus sign, so that's why outside minus and inside minus, minus minus will be plus. So that's why it is coming what? Plus 3n. Okay, so this is the answer. This is the answer. Clear or not? Clear? Understood, everyone? Okay, I hope you understood. Okay, and even doubt, whatever doubt is there, you should inform me, I will help you. Okay, but you should inform me and you should practice it. Okay, that is the main thing. Next question, see, sir, question number 20. Question number 20 is telling a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. This is the question. A to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. Okay, at first write the question properly and try to find out this one. How to do? Right. Here power 4 is there. Power 4. So power 4 means what to do? We know that power square, that one we have done, but power 4 how to do? Before also we did, I think. I don't know, I forgot it, but I hope we did. Okay, so try it how to do. That time just I'm a little bit erasing here. Okay, see what to do, sir. A to the power 4 means we can write what, sir? A square whole square. A square here, after that whole square also. Okay, minus. This one clear? Clear or not? Just here 2 bracket came, no? 2 bracket came, that one no problem, that one. This is 1 bracket, just leave it. Okay, a to the power 4 means a square whole square minus b to the power 4 means b square whole square. This one clear, sir? Clear? Okay. Next what? Next what, sir? A square minus b square formula is coming. In bracket this one a and this one b. Okay, in bracket here a and in bracket here b. Okay, so we will use that formula. What formula, sir? A square minus b square formula. A square minus b square formula what? A plus b into a minus b. So here a means a square, okay, plus b means b square. Okay, after that next a minus b, here a means a square minus b means b square. Up to this one clear or not? Up to this one clear? Okay, now this plus form just keep it like that. Okay, this plus form keep it like that. This portion, no, this portion formula is there, a square minus b square formula, so that's why we will use it, this one. Okay, so this one keep it like that, a square plus b square, this one keep it like that. Okay, so this portion will write what? A plus b into a minus b. Okay, clear everyone? Clear? So this is the answer only. Very easy. See, very easy or not? Very easy. Clear or not? Have you understood? Okay, and even in doubt, please you should inform, and those who are doing, it's okay. I know that few students are doing and they are telling their problems also, but few students are not at all, means they are not doing anything. Okay, so that is the seriousness of the students, no? That is the seriousness of the students. Since you are getting the time, you should utilize the time properly, but you are not doing any work. Your parents are telling that, please, that informing to us, sir, that they are not studying properly. So that is whose duty? That the teacher's duty or that student's duty? That one. You think it. Not only you are not a kids, no. You should think about it. So why you are telling again and again? Okay. Next question, see. Next question what? Question number 21. 21 what? 21 is telling 16a to the power 4 minus 81b to the power 4. Same problem, sir. 16a to the power 4 minus 81, 21. 16a to the power 4 minus 81b to the power 4. This is the question. Okay, 16a to the power 4 minus 81b to the power 4. Okay, clear? Okay, so how to do this one? Same problem, same like 20. Okay, like 20. So here 16 and a to the power 4. 16 means, sir, 16 means whose power 4 will come, that 16? 2 to the power 4 means 16 or not? 2 to the power 4 means 16, sir, because 2 to the 4, see here 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So that's why 2a whole to the power 4, that is what? 16a to the power 4. Okay, clear? Okay, similarly here minus 81 means 3 to the power 4. Okay, that's why we will write what? 3b whole to the power 4. Clear or not? This one clear? 3 to the power 4. Why 3 to the power 4 81? Just check it once. See, I am writing here 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81. Okay, so that's why we are writing here 16a to the power 4 means 2a whole to the power 4 and 81b to the power 4 means 3b whole to the power 4. Up to this one clear or not? Clear? Okay, now what to do, sir? Now we'll write this one 2a whole square. After that what? Next whole square also. Next whole square. Okay, here power 2 again, because 4 no, so that's why power 2. After that next power 2 also. Similarly here 3b whole square, 3b whole square, after that here power 2 also. Then now we are getting in the second bracket, no, here second bracket, this portion just like a, and here second bracket, that one inside the bracket, that one b. That means a square minus b square we are getting, and a square minus b square means what? What formula is there? A plus b into a minus b. Just put it there only. So here a means 2a whole square. 2a whole square means, 2a whole square means what, sir? 2a whole square means 4a square. Clear? Clear or not? Clear? Okay. Next what? Next what? Plus. Next 3b whole square, that is b, no? 3b whole square, that is b. So 9b square. So that is a plus b. Okay. Next a minus b. A minus b means what? Similarly 4a square minus 9b square. This one clear? Understood or not? Try to find, okay, understand this one. What is the meaning of the formula? Okay, same formula, only we are applying various purpose. Okay, means data are different data are there, so that's why we are using this one. Okay, so now class keep it like that, only negative sign will be changed. Okay, so that's why here this portion just keep it like that, this portion keep it like that, only this minus portion we can use the another formula also. How to do, sir? This one, see, 4a square means we can write what? 4a square means 2a whole square. At first this portion keep it like that, just a minute, this portion keep it like that. Which portion, sir? This positive portion, just keep it like that. 4a square plus 9b square, this one keep it like that. Okay, only this portion just we are doing changing. Okay, so how to change this one, sir? 4a square means 2a whole square. Clear or not? And minus 9b square means 3b whole square. Okay, clear? Okay, so this portion keep it like that, 4a square plus 9b square, this one keep it like that. Okay, only this one, see, this one a and this one b, a square minus b square formula. Clear or not? This one a and this one b, a square minus b square formula. So a square minus b square formula what, sir? A plus b into a minus b. Clear or not? So here a means here 2a plus 3b. Okay, 2a plus 3b into 2a minus 3b. Okay, finished, and no need to do any other things. Okay, here already finished, here finished all. So that's why here answer will be what? 4a square plus 9b square into 2a plus 3b into 2a minus 3b. This is the answer. Clear? Clear or not? I hope you understood, and you should try it. Okay, you should practice it. Even in doubt, you should practice, and doubt means you should inform me. Okay, and other subjects also, teachers are there, they will help you also. Okay, okay, so you should practice and submit it. Clear? So 15 to up to 21 already explained, so you should practice it and show me. And the remaining problems 22 23, that one also same process, same way we will use the formula and we will solve it. And even a doubt, at first you try. Okay, 22 onwards, that one also always sir will do. That is not a way. Since you are good student means you should try at first. Okay, even a doubt you should inform me, I will help you. Okay, that is the thing. So remaining problems whatever we didn't discuss, that one, so that one you at first try.